He's asking, how do you handle a difficult supervisor? You have to find out what is his or her expectation and try to work based on that person's expectation, because you always have to know that they are supervising you, they have the final say, they are telling you what is required. So you just have to learn to work with them. If you are not clear with any feedback, you can book an appointment with them and have a discussion and learn from them. But if you're having a difficulty with your supervisor, see whether there's an option for you to change your supervisor. If not, you just have to work with them, because the most important thing is to know what they expect from you, know that you understand their feedback, and try to incorporate their feedback and show that you are ready to learn. And before you realize, you are done with your dissertation or your thesis. And after your thesis, you can do your own research. Nobody will be supervising you. Always see them as people who are helping you to reach your destination, who want you to do a quality job. They are not there to prevent you for you to be successful, right? So always think about it in the positive manner that they are there for you to do a good job. And if you have any question, feel free to ask them. You can have a meeting with them and discuss their expectation and also what you expect from them, and work together to accomplish the goal. And you are not going to work with them forever, right? So you just have to note that they are there to make sure that you do the right thing in terms of your dissertation or your thesis.